Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Corey B. I will be showing you how I did this long braided faux mohawk. Right now, as you can see, I'm parting my hair in section, and it's really going to be in two sections. I'm using a Racktail comb. And now I'm going to take my bottom section and put it in a ponytail. I'm using this Gorilla Snot Gel that I purchased from my local beauty store, but I saw it in Walgreens and Walmart as well, so you can get it from there. Even though I didn't show it in the video, I went back and used my green Eco Styling Gel to make sure my hair is laying down and slick. Okay, now I'm going to take my top section and put that in a ponytail as well. Now I'm going to add my scarf to lay my hair down while I go make the long braid for the mohawk. Okay, I'm using this Ghana pre-stretch 3-bundle pack. Now I am selling this on my website. So now I'm going to take and section off in 3. And then I will start braiding. I will do like maybe 3 or 4 braids before I add the hair. So what I did was the other 2 bundles I sectioned off in 3 pieces and start adding it to make the braid longer. And then as you braiding, you would take the braids that you already braid and start pulling it out, stretching, feathering out, pulling it out to make it bigger and wider.